my baby dolls, welcome back to another video. In today's video I am showing you guys a unit by Wiggins hair. So the wig I have here is their wear and go loose deep wave wig. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like right out of the box. The package, I have not done anything to the hair. This is freshly out, and a lot of companies are doing wear and go wigs, which I'm really happy about, especially since we're here in the summer and you know we just want to get up and go. We just want to get up and go and be outside. Okay, this will definitely work for a vacation. I can just already tell, like, this will be a very great vacation wig, summer wig. This is a 5x5 closure wig. Now with this lace here, the lace is already cut for you, which I love. As you guys can see, it is pre-plucked too as well, so the lace looks really good. I have not bleached the knots yet, but I do want to bleach the knots in the future. It does come in a middle part plucked already for you, and this is how much of lace that you do get. A lot of room of lace. You can still do a side part if you wanted to. And then here is the band. This is what makes the wig a glueless wig, you guys, so you can definitely tighten it or loosen it as much as you want. Let's see, hopefully I didn't make it too tight. I think that's good though. I did it all for you, still you were lonely. We could have worked it out, but I guess things change. It's funny how someone else's success brings pain when you're no longer involved. That person has it all. So because of the wig not being bleached, the knots not being bleached, I did put some makeup in my wig cap, you guys, and this is a transparent wig cap. I did not do the wig cap method because I felt like, you know, we're trying to do less steps when it comes down to a wear and go wig. So I didn't do the wig cap method. I just put some foundation in the cap, and I put some foundation in my lace too as well, because the knots are not bleached, because I just wanted it to look natural as possible. So it fits really snug and good. I like that a lot. Love the hair texture. Is very soft and wavy. It's 24 inches too, by the way. I feel like it's longer than that. But I am going to use my hot comb just to lay this down because it is a little bulky. So of course you will have to just adjust it and, you know, to your head and everything like that to make it look realistic enough and not wiggy. So that's what I'm doing. I don't want the hair to be bulky. I'm going to pluck this middle part out, and it's going to change a lot on this wig, and then grab my mousse and then show you guys how we can transform this top part. But other than that, the wig is beautiful, as y'all can see. Like, it looks so good. And this is 24 inches, but it damn near looks like it's 28 inches. Not gonna lie, like, it's a really pretty wig. This is what it looks like plucked. It looks way better now. As far as the hairline go, the hairline is already good and plucked and ready to go. I am going to use a little bit of my Sleek and Shine Anti-Freeze Serum. This is the brand I'm using. I would highly recommend this for any frizzy hair, curly hair, and you just want something to shine your hair with, to sleek and shine it. This is it. So I'm going to use a little bit of this, and I just place it right on top first, and I just go through the hair. So it has like that nice natural shine to it, to give the hair like that, like you just got out of the salon. Okay, you just left your beautician and you just got your hair done. I'm going to put a little bit of this mousse here through the hair, especially on top, to flatten it out some more. I'm gonna need you to say something, baby. Say something, baby. Say something, baby. Say something. I'm gonna need you to say. And it's not even glued down. It is literally laying down so well. No glue, y'all. Literally no glue. And I didn't even use a little bit of my adhesive spray either. Like, literally no glue. Look how pretty that is. But overall, y'all, this hair is so soft. Not getting no shedding. Like I did say, you can part it in the middle if you want, because you do have enough lace room, because I have the lace don't stop until all the way like right here to right here. And you can definitely put a part in this wig if you want to. Maybe let me stand up so you guys can get a view of how long this hair is, because it's giving It's damn near a 28 inch, not 24 inch, okay? But look how pretty and long this hair is. Y'all see that? That's long. Yeah, y'all, this is a beautiful wig. I have literally nothing bad to say, okay? And it fits very comfortable. I love y'all so much, and everything will be linked down in my description box. I'll see you baby dolls in my next video.